Hey guys, Portia here, and today I want to work on a breast cancer awareness design. It's going to be for a sublimation tumbler, and it's going to be for someone who is very special to me, a really good close friend who is a survivor. Now, I'm in Canva Pro right now, and they do have some templates here, but it really doesn't fit my aesthetic, or it doesn't even fit my friend's aesthetic. So I want to do something with a little bit more pop, a little bit more punch. So we are going to create our own design, and I'm going to go to custom size, change that to inches, and I want to do 9.3. This design is actually for a straight skinny 20-ounce tumbler. And let's see, the first thing I want to do is go to photos, because I'm going to go ahead and put the background in first, and I want to do pink. So the majority of these colors are going to be pink. Then I'm going to do black, and then a little bit of white in the background. So the background is going to be like a pink powder, if I can spell powder right. All right, I like this bold pink here, so it's like a hot pink magenta, and it has some movement in it and personality. It has really good texture in it, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this. And so what I'm doing now is just shaping it, kind of like to just, like I said, I want to get the texture out of it and the boldness, and the tumbler doesn't have to be like all pink. And so I'm leaving a white in here to give it some space to breathe, and we can just manipulate the photo until it's exactly the way we like it. And I think I definitely want these corners covered. I think that looks pretty decent, and this is going to be our base. All right, great. So now what I want to do is to go ahead and go to text, and I want to add in words. Now this is going to be filled with various words that describe my friend. Like I mentioned a bit earlier, she is a survivor, and you know, she is just the epitome of strength, and she's a mother, single, all that good stuff. But this came into her life, and she fought it. She fought back, and she came through with flying colors. So I want to just pretty much put words here that are going to describe her. And the first thing I'm going to put on here is, let's see. Okay, so we have stronger than the storm, and I'm going to cheat a little bit today because I want to use various fonts, and Canva does have all these different font combinations. So instead of me going in and trying to find these different fonts and put them in myself, I am going to let the program do it for us. So I'm going to leave this black for now because I don't know if this is going to stay black or pink, because I'm pretty much going to deal with the words in pink and black. So I do want this to be the centerpiece though, so I want to center that. And then what I'm going to do is go ahead and continue to add in words using these different I guess combinations until I pretty much have my picture exactly the way I want it. All right, so I have all of my words in here. Kind of still playing with placement, but you can fuss over them as much or as little as you want to. But I just wanted to put the words going in various directions to create movement and all that good stuff. And now I told you we're going with the pink color palette, so we need to go in and change our font here. And I created a color palette. I call it Think Pink. And I think we'll go with the darker pink here, but I want to add an effect to that one because it's kind of washed out. So put a little bit of a black background behind it. So now our love pops out. I'm going to leave that one pretty much as is. And so now what I'm going to do is just go ahead and play around with the colors, because as I brought some of the fonts in, they were already certain colors, and this does not match with our color scheme. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so I think this looks pretty good. Now, I was debating on whether or not this looks a little bit busy, but I always have to remind myself that this is going to wrap around something. So in turn, the eye is going to be constantly moving, and it's not really going to look the way it looks right now. But I actually really like this. I think this is going to work out. So I'm still fussing with this, and I don't actually have to be doing this, but sometimes I just can't leave well enough alone. All right, so I want to add a couple of other elements here, and one is a kiss, just a cute little kiss to go up here in the corner. And of course that is the wrong color, so we're going to have to find a pink that works. I'm gonna move our support down a little bit, and the lips don't have to be that big. All right, and I'm gonna pick a pink that we've already used. All right, I think that looks decent. And the other thing I want to add in back to elements is a pink ribbon, because we cannot forget that. And there is a pretty simple ribbon that's in here that I like. Of course, you can never find anything when you're actually looking for it. Here we go. And I want to take this ribbon, we definitely need to change this color because it just got lost. Unless we use some highlights here. Nah, that's not gonna work. Nah, it might have to be black and pink, or either both of them this color pink. Okay, that's better. Oopsie, I lost it, y'all. Here it goes. All right, so now I want to nestle that right in that little space there. If I could catch it again. I'm gonna move this back so that I can get that out of my way. And now I should be able to get that. There we go. And I just want to nestle it right there in between our faith and family. Open it. All right, I think that looks pretty good. So I don't want to do anything else to this, because although I'm going to sublimate it on a tumbler, I want to add a little bling. If you guys have watched any of my other tutorials, you know that me and glitter are like best friends. So I'm not going to just stop at this wrap. I just want to add a little bit of sparkle. Not a lot. I promise y'all, it's not going to be a lot. So yeah guys, this is all I have for you today. I want you to join me, because the next video I drop will probably be me actually making this tumbler, sublimating the image on, and then adding in a little bit of bling with resin and all that good stuff. But yeah, if you got any questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. And if you found this video helpful or even entertaining, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. But as always, until next time, peace.